Hare Krishna. So most welcome. And we were doing the Sphut Dhatu. It was Bhutesha Parapada. So I'll just write the forms of Bhutesha Parapada quickly, so you can match. Asphutat, yeah, Asphutat. I'm writing first the Nga Paksha forms when we insert Nga. Asphutat, Asphutatam, Asphutan, Asphutah, Asphutam, and Diptaman, Siptamta, Asphutata, Asphutam, Asphutava, Pamba, and Asphutama. Yeah. And then the second optional forms in C Paksha.
You're missing a P in 1.3.
Oh, yeah. Asphuta. Then Asphotit, Asphotistam, Asphotistan, actually Diptaman, Asphotishu actually, sorry. Then Asphoti, Asphotishtam, Asphotishta, this is Asphoti Sham. Then Asphotishva, is it? Vamana Vaishnava, Sarara Vaishnava. Yeah. Asphotishva. And then Asphotishma. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, this is it. So, is it clear, all the forms, the declension?
Yes.
So then the next one is the Atma Pada. So Sphut Dhatu is there. Ta, Atma Pada, ta. So Dhatu Puramad. And in Bhuteshate Bhava Karmana, in Atma, in Karmani Prayoga, which in this case is Atma Pada, we insert in after Dhatu when ta is following. Then Laghu Davasya Govinda is done. In Inasto Haraha, after in ta is deleted, and thus we get a Sphoti. Asphoti. Similarly, the further forms are Asphoti Shatam. Similar, Asphoti Shata. Okay, just try to make this one 1.3. Sphut here yukt anta, ta atam anta. So this is 1.3 Atmapada Bhutesha. Yeah, please make it sput yukt anta. So we apply dhatu purvamat first of all, then sir bhuteshi, because this is bhuteshi pratyaya. Then we insert itram dhatu ke. Did you delete na, Mataji?
Yes, true. Then, sorry.
Okay.
Sorry, I
thought you were
deleted
asking
it
me.
once, but then I forgot.
So we insert C, then itram dhatu ke, then laghu dhavasya govindaha, then ishvara hari mitra kangebhya shatva vidhi, and then we apply the sutra aramanya varnadante antamantanam nasya haraha, which means that if we have any letter except for arama in this at this place, then the na rama of this anta gets deleted. Thus, what we get is asphoti shrata, asphoti shrata, asphoti shrata, like that.
One question here. This Shatva Vidhi you did at the initial stage only, before
Right.
creating the whole world. So that's okay, is it?
You can do either way.
Till now, the experience was that after creating the whole world, at the end we did either Natva or Shatva Vidhi.
No, it's not necessary, Prabhuji, that
This,
way. It's not necessary that it has to be done at the end only. It can be done before also.
okay. Yes.
And there is one more thing, like in the order of, you can say the order of application of sutras. So, like as we move from prakriti to pratyaya, so this is prakriti, this is pratyaya, and these are like insertions, agamas. So as we move from prakriti to pratyaya, like in the sense of like doing the operation, doing operations, doing different things.
Yes.
So the preference goes like this from prakriti to pratyaya. So this is antaranga, and then it is like more bahiranga this side. So antaranga karya is considered more, is given more priority than the bahiranga karyas, like that.
Okay. Yes, Prabhuji.
So that is also there. Okay, Prabhuji. So ta atam anta.
Yes, true. That's.
And then thas will be aspotish tha. I'm just telling you, please decline and make the tables. Then aspotish thas atam, aspotish atham, aspotidhvam, aspotishi, aspotishvahi, and aspotishmahi. Yeah. Now my question is, okay, I'll just tell. In the Atmapada, we will not apply nga. In Parapada, we applied nga because the sutra itself says Bhutesha Parapada, when this is the Paranimitta. But it doesn't say that when Bhutesha Atmapada follows also, then we have to apply. No. So in Bhutesha Atmapada, we'll have just one forms. There is no nga, only C Paksha. Okay. Then comes Adhokshara. So Adhokshara dhatu is sput, then comes nal. Right? Now, dhatur dvirachanam adhokshara sannanyangshu. When adhokshara pratyaya is following, we do the reduplication. So in sput, which part of this dhatu, sput, will be reduplicated?
Spoo.
Spoo, okay.
Is it
right?
su?
It will be spoo, first of all.
Okay. Okay.
till the first Sarveshwara. Sarveshwara Parantasya Adi Bhagasya Anarasya Dvirvachanam. Now the point is, will it remain like this or will we do something else here, especially in the Nara? So the next sutra says, 341, Nara Vishnu Jananamadi Shishyate. If in the Nara there are two Vishnu Janas, like in this case we have Sa and Pa, two Vishnu Janas together, only the first Vishnu Jana of the Nara remains, of a Nara remains. This is rule number 1 in this case. And then the next sutra says, Shauri Shiraskastu Satvataha. But if the first Vishnu Jana of a Nara is a Shauri, what is a Shauri?
Shaurya.
Yes, so those 3 letters are called Shauri together. So, but if the first Vishnu Jana of a Nara is Shauri, so in Spu, do we have Shauri at the beginning?
Yes.
Yes, we have. So in such case, if the first Vishnu Jana is Shauri, and if the second is a Satvata, now what is Satvata?
That was the Ka and
Shauri
Ka
versus
and
Satvata.
Ka and Gagha and
The first 2 columns.
I'm sorry, not Gagha, Gagha and
Chacha.
Chacha and
Yeah, so
Dot
Kachatatapa and Khachatatapa.
Yeah.
So those are the Sattvatas. So if the first Vishnu Jana of a Nara is Shauri and the second a Sattvata, in that case, only the Sattvata will remain. Shauri won't. So in Spu, the first letter is Shauri, right? And the second Varna, is that a Sattvata?
Yes, Papa.
It is. Papa. So in this case, Pa will remain. Okay. And then we'll apply the previous sutra. Hari Khadgasya Hari Kamalam, Hari Ghoshasya Hari Gadanarasya. That in the at the Nara or in the Nara, Hari Khadgasya Hari Kamalam. Hari Khadga becomes Hari Kamala and Hari Ghosha becomes Hari Gada. So this is Hari Khadga, Pa, so it becomes Hari Kamala. Thus it becomes Pu. And then Laghudavasya Govinda is applied and we get Pu Sphota. Pusphota. Okay, Pusphota. Is this clear, Mahaprabhu Mataji? Then the same thing. Okay, please decline this. Try to do this. Sput yukt atus. Dhokshaja 1.2 Parapada. Similarly, Pusphutuhu, Pusphotitha. In Thal, we will do Govinda because Thal is not Kapila because it has La Rama as indicated letter. So Thalatus, Pusphutathuhu, Nalatasus, Thalatus, Pusphuta, Pusphota, Pusphutiva, Pusphutima. So basically, we have to see the Kapila thing here, Kansari thing. Similarly, Pusphute, Pusphutate, Pusphutire in the Atmapada of Adhokshara. Pusphutishe, Pusphutate, Pusphutidve, Pusphute, Pusphuti Pusphuti like that. Okay. So that is Dhokshara. I'm like, because I have studied it, so I'm able to like say out the forms, but you need to practice it. So yeah. In Kampala, so we have Sput. Oh. Sput Yukt Yat. Yeah, it is Yat. So first of all, we will not insert it here because of the same rule, Netya Sarveshwarya, because it begins with Yarama. And Kamapala Parapadam Kapila, Kamapala Pratyaya, the Parapada Kampala is Kapila. So thus Ishasya Nagovinda Vishnanda Kansarishu. Kapila and Kansari, they are same thing. Kapila, Kansari, Nirguna, they are all three same. So the effect is also the same. So thus there will be no Govinda here, so it will remain Sphutyat. So Sphutyat, Sphutyastam, Sphutyasam, Yas, Yastam, Yasu, Sphutyasam, Sphutyas, Sphutyastam, Sphutyasta, Sphutyastam, Sphutyasa, Sphutyasma, like that. In Atmapada, again, so we have Sput Dhatu, Yuktasishta. So here we will insert it by it from Dhatu ke, and Laghudavasi Govinda will be done. So, and then we will do Ishwara Harimitra. So we will get Sphoti Shishta, Sphoti Shishta, Sphoti Shishta, Sphoti Shiastam, Sphoti Shiran, ityadi. Similarly, Balkalki also, we will insert it, we will do Govinda, Sphotita, Sphotitaro, Sphotitara, ityadi. Then Kalki, same it and Govinda, Sphotishyati, Sphotishyatah, Sphotisyanti, ityadi. In Ajita, just we will insert Dhatuh Puramat, Bhuteshwara, Bhutesha, Jiteshu, and it and Govinda. So Asphotishyat, Asphotisyatam, Asphotisyan, ityadi. So that's how we complete our third Dhatu here, which is Sphotil Visharane. Okay, please write the Ajita Atmapada forms. Ajita Atmapada forms of Sput Dhatu. Yeah, please do that. You need not decline it. You can just write the table, the forms only. Resuming with the Anvayas, Canto 1, Chapter 5 and text 15. Jugupsitam dharma krite nushasatah swabhava raktasya mahan vyatikramaha yadvakyato dharma iti tarah sthito namanyate tasya nivaranam janah. Swabhav raktasya prakritya eva vishayasakta chittasya purushasya dharma krite dharmartham jugupsitam nindyam kamya karmani anushasatah upadishutah. Okay, tava mahan vyatikrama ayam anyayah yad vakyatah yasya tava vakyat ayam eva mukhyah dharma iti sthitah tava anuशासनात् निश्चितः सन् इत्यर्थः इतर प्राकृतः जनः तस्य काम्य कर्मादि निवारणं निषेधं न मन्यते न स्वीकरोति. So Narad Muni is saying to Vyasadeva that if you describe, like yesterday we read how Narad Muni was saying to Vyasadeva that if someone describes anything other than Krishna or any subject, any object other than Krishna, then that won't serve the purpose actually, and that will just lead the mind in unsteadiness, basically. So today he's continuing that if, O Vyasadeva, Swabhava Raktasya, that if you instruct, or basically if you instruct or if you recommend the Nindyam Kamya Karma, the desired acts, you know, the acts which are backed up by desires, which are done to fulfill one's material motives or desires, basically like karma kanda and all. So if when you will upadeshata, you will instruct about such acts, uh, for the religious upliftment dharmartham of the men who are attached to the sense objects by nature, prakritya eva vishayasakta chittasya. Then what will happen is tava mahan vyatikramah ayam anyayah. It will be inappropriate, it will be injustice, great injustice indeed. Because yad vakyatah yasya tava vakyat ayam eva mukhya dharma iti sthita. So what will happen is such persons will think that, oh, because Srila Vyasadeva has recommended these acts, so ayam eva mukhya dharma. So this is the only primary religion. They will think it like this. Iti sthitah tava anushasanat nishchitasan. And in this way, they will consider such instructions of yours to be like the final one, and they will be situated in the performance in the execution of such acts, kamya karmas. Itarah prakritah janah tasya kamya karmadehe nivaranam nishedana manyate na svikaroti. And in this way, such materialistic people, prakritah janah, they will not accept the prohibition, nishedha, of such kamya karmas and so on, such desired fruitive acts and so on. Because they will think, oh, Vyasadeva has recommended it, so why they should be prohibited and so on. Iti artha, this is the meaning. Okay. Text 16. विचक्षणो स्यार्हति वेदितुं विभोरनन्तपारस्य निवृत्तितः सुखम् अनन्तपारस्य निवृत्तितः सुखम् प्रवर्तमानस्य गुणैरनात्मनस्ततो भवान् दर्शय चेष्टितं विभोः. विचक्षणः अति निपुणः कश्चिदेव निवृत्तितः सर्व क्रिया nivritya. Nivritti is like ceasing, right? Yeah, nivritti is that ceasing. Nivritti and pravritti. Yeah, cessation. So सर्व क्रिया निवृत्त्या अस्य अनंत पारस्य अपरिसीम रूपस्य विभोः सर्वव्यापिनः हरेः. Mahaprabhu Mataji, are you comfortable with this Devanagari script now? This Lipi script? You are muted, looks like. Okay. So, Vibhoho Sarva Vyapinaha Harehe Sukham Nirvikalpaka Sukhatmakam Swarupam. Nirvikalpaka. Nirvikalpaka is something which is unparalleled. Nirvikalpaka.
Is it without any option?
Knowledge not depending upon or derived from the senses. Oh. So it says Nirvikalpaka is something which is not derived out of the senses. This is Nirvikalpaka. What is Vikalpaka?
So it's kind of like a Dokshaja?
Generally, when we say Vikalpa, Vikalpa means optional, something optionality. So Nirvikalpaka literally would be something which has no other option or parallel competition, so unparalleled. But it says something which is derived out of, not from the senses. So Nirvikalpaka Sukha Atmakam Swarupam, Sukhatmakam Swarupam, Veditum, Jnatum. I think it should be just Jnatum. Arhati. ओके। न पुनः अविचक्षणः प्रवृत्ति स्वभाव इति अर्थः। ओके। तत्कारणात् ततः कारणात् हे विभो सर्वज्ञ भवान् अनात्मनः देहाभिमानिनः अतः एव गुणैः सत्त्वादिभिः प्रवर्तमानस्य परिचालितजनस्य ओके संबंधे विभो चेष्टितं नीलागुणं दर्शय प्रकाश मध्यम आर्ष। Okay, good verse. It is Narada Muni is saying that those who are intelligent, vichakshana, ati nipuna, very intelligent, some of them, kaschideva, they cease all their activities, especially the kamya karmas, the material activities. And so, having ceased all their material acts, they are able, arhati, to understand the blissful form of Lord Hari, who is all pervading. So, nirvikalpaka sukhatmakam swarupam of whom? Of Hari, Harehe. Harehe swarupam, who is all pervading. So, nirvikalpaka sukhatmakam, one with a blissful form, or one with an unparalleled blissful form, or one so nirvikalpaka sukhatmakam sarupam. So such persons having ceased their activities, they are able to, or they are qualified or eligible to understand the blissful form of Lord Hari, who is all pervading, who is anantaparasya, aparisima rupasya, whose form is immeasurable, unending. Na punaha. So again they want to say, Narad Muni wants to indicate indirectly that avichakshanaha pravritti svabhava iti artha. Na. That it means that those who are inclined or engaging in the pravritti marga, basically who are engaging in the kamya karmas, sakam karmas and so on, who are avichakshana, who are not that intelligent, they are not eligible to understand such Lord. Therefore, tataha karanat, O Vibho, O all knower, all knowing, all knower of everything, Sarvagya, O Vyasadeva, what you do is you manifest or you show prakashaya the qualities and pastimes of the Lord to such living entities who are dehavimanina, who are engrossed in the bodily concept of life, and therefore who are controlled, or who are controlled by the three modes of nature, namely the Satoguna, Rajoguna and Tamoguna. Iti artha, this is the meaning. Okay. Text 17. Tyaktva swadharmam charanambujam hare bhajan napakko thapate tato yadi yatra kvava bhadram abhudamushyakim kovartha apto bhajatam swadharmatah. Swadharmam varnashrama dharmam tyaktva vihaya Harehe Shri Krishnasya Charanambujam Pada Padmam Bhajana Pakvo. Bhajan, I think it's just bhajan with halanta, right? Yeah, so they forward it. It's just bhajan with halanta.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, because bhajana, then it would be like Avishnupada. This is not the complete final form. So bhajan. So Charanambujam Pada Padmam Bhajan Sevamanaha Janaha Apakvaha Akritartha Athanantaram ततः तस्मात् यत्र क्व वा यस्मिन् कस्मिन् अपि काले यदि पते भ्रशेत् म्रियेत वा तर्हि अमुष्य अभद्रम् अभूत् किम् नैव इति भाव परंतु अभजताम कृष्ण भजन रहितानाम तैः इत्यर्थः स्वधर्मतः स्वधर्म अनुष्ठानेन कह दिस इज कह दिस इज विसर्ग नॉट ह कह वा अर्थ आपता किमपि
Oh,
प्रयोजन
sorry.
न सिद्ध्यति. So this verse, very famous verse, is telling that those people so if someone he gives up the duties of varnashrama dharma and he serves the lotus feet of Lord Shri Krishna, having given up such duties, he serves, worships the lotus feet of the Lord. Such person, Janaha, akritartha, apakva. Akritartha is basically who is materially unaccomplished. Atha, therefore, anantaram tatah tasmat yatra kva va yasmin kasmin vikale. So if, let's say, he falls down or he gets bewildered or he dies out of some reason at any point of time, yasmin kasmin api kale, tarhi amushya abhadram abhut kim, then what will be inauspicious on his part? It means na eva iti bhava. There is no inauspiciousness on his part. So one who gives up his material duties and who worships Krishna. So even though he is materially accomplished, he leaves his body at a certain point, or brashet, he gets bewildered, this illusion at some point ahead. So there won't be any inauspiciousness on his part. But parantu, those who are abhajatam, who are not worshipping Krishna, Krishna bhajana rahitanam, even though they are performing swadharma, varnashrama dharma and so on, what will they attain? Kahava artha apta prapta iti artha. What will they attain by the performance of their varnashrama dharma if they are not worshipping Krishna? It means kimapi na prayojanam na siddhati. They won't accomplish anything out of it. So, yeah, iti artha. This is the meaning. Okay. So I hope you are able to make some sense by now, especially the nouns, the avyayas, then these Krishna namas. So mostly we have done many things actually. Yeah, sandhis. Abhut, we did abhut, right? In bhu. We did bhu also. Okay. So we'll resume on next Saturday. And Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Hare
Dhanyavad. Thank you.